Are you seeing the Rtworkq Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Avoid long manual edits for Rtworkq Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Rtworkq Library, the real-time work queue library. It facilitates prioritized localized task scheduling for localized media processing and localized system background tasks, ensuring localized low-latency execution for multimedia. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Rtworkq belongs to the Windows System Core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Rtworkq library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Rtworkq Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Rtworkq Library. Thank you for trusting us with Rtworkq Library Repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.